Okay, so I just wanted to show you today how to cut a pepper because I find that some people just don't mind getting pips in them like that, and yeah, and it's just a matter of how to clean it properly so that it's ready for cooking. Um, so what I've done before this is I did wash the outside, and now you can see it's just to clean out all the white parts, the seeds. I don't like that either, so I'll take that off. I'll take that off, and then clean that part. So you're basically just running a knife from between the white and the red. Yep, that's ready. And then there's some white in the middle, and then I just run my knife, and it doesn't matter if your knife runs too far like I have done there. I just go back and redo it. Setting my peels aside that I'm going to throw away. Right, so what you're going to do now is all the bits that you've saved that you need to cook with, you're going to set that aside and throw away all the bits that you don't need. And then you're going to rinse your board and rinse your peels so that it's ready for cooking. And basically you can cut these any which way you want. Today I'm going to be making a quesadillas, so I'll be dicing these up really small, but they're great for salad. They're really sweet to eat raw as well. You could just do slices, or you could have them half cut. It's really, you're cooking at home, so really any which way you want. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. Cheers, guys.